Now that you understand the two sides of the way menus work in Joomla, both configuring the menu itself and where it displays on the page through the module, let's walk through how to add a new menu item to our menu. I'm going to make a link to the About page. So I'm going to start by going to Menus, Main Menu. And this is my menu item manager for the main menu. Right now I have one link. It's the link to the home page. Joomla makes this for you by default when you install Joomla. Now I'd like to add a link to the About page. So I'm going to start by clicking on the big green New button, just like we always do. This is going to tell me that this is a published link, which is exactly what I want. And the next thing I'm asked for is the menu item type. So to do this, I'm going to click the Select button. And this is going to give me the various types of links that I might have on my website. Well, I'm wanting to link to the About article that I created earlier in the previous chapter. So what would I click on? Well, probably this thing here that says Articles. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to give me some options where articles are concerned. And all I want to do is just link to one article. So it's probably this one right here, the single article. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. The screen's going to update a little bit to reflect what is required within this particular screen for showing this About article link on the web page. And of course, the start items are what you look for, and that's what you are required to put in. So first of all is, what article are we going to add to the website? Those of you who are familiar with earlier versions of Joomla, we used to always see this on the right side of the screen. Now it's over here on the left, because this is one of the most important things that we have to put in, is which article are we linking to. So I'm going to click on the Select button again. And I can find my About article from the list. It's right here, called About. And I can give this a menu title. This will be the words that appear inside of the menu itself. It's what you're going to click on to go to this web page. So this is called About. Yes, it's an article called About. It's a menu item called About. Now, I've called these both the same things in this particular case, but I don't have to. I could have shortened this. The article title might be something like About Kinetico Inc., the amazing company founded 5 years ago by visionaries based in Ventura, California, or whatever that great big huge long title is. If you work in academia, you'll run into these really, really long titles for articles. And it's not suitable necessarily to take that incredibly long title and turn it into a link on your navigation. So you can always shorten your navigation titles if needed. In this particular case, it's one word. So I've just called my article and my menu exactly the same thing. Going down a little bit further here, we want that About link to occur on the main menu, so I've got that selected. And this is all we need to configure, just these 3 start items, or 4 start items. The menu item type, which is a single article. Which article do we want to link to? This one. What is it going to be called on the page? This thing here. And where is it going to appear? Inside of the main menu. That's all we need. Go ahead and say Save and Close. And now we have 2 links, our home link and our About link. If we go to the front end of the website now and we refresh our page, you'll notice that we have 2 links that appear right here, the link to the home page and a link to the About page. If I click on the link for the About page, I see my About page exactly as I would expect. And you see here we have a title. Please don't worry about all of this blah blah up here on the top. I will be showing you how to get rid of that in Chapter 7. I can get rid of who it's written by and the category it's in, or leave some of these things on and turn some of them off. I'll walk you through all of that then. And then we have our text and we have our picture over here on the side. So this is great. That's exactly what we were looking for. Finally, we can see the results of all of our work. And I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to add a few more links to this menu.